Let us look at this beast. Very small in size, designed wisely like a ball, so you can play a football or finger ball. Okay, speaking seriously, this beast will help you to wake you up on time. Yes, this is an alarm clock. It can also serve you as a night light. But the best out of this thing is the function that can let you pair this device to your smartphone over a Bluetooth connection. So you can drink a hot chocolate and listen to this moody music while crying. All the music is unedited, so please wear your headphones to hear at least close to natural sound. Okay, enough sadness, let's rock a little bit. Listen to this bass and treble. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. I will be waiting for you. Wait, but that's not all the things you can do. For example, you may also learn the Chinese language or listen to the local radio. In addition, you can also listen to offline music if you have an SD card. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.